let's do number 4. 2x to the 4th plus 7x cubed plus 22x squared plus 112x minus 160 divided by 2x squared plus 7x minus 10. I don't need to put any placeholders in, so I start at step 2, which is focus on the first. 2x to the 4th divided by 2x squared is simply x squared. Now multiply that x squared by everything here, and I get 2x to the 4th plus 7x cubed minus 10x squared. When I go to subtract, I change my signs so that I can simply add. And the first 2 cancel out, and I'm left with 32x squared. So I need to carry 2 terms down so that I match up 3 terms and 3 terms. Focus on the first, plus 16. 32x squared divided by 2x squared is simply 16. So now I'm going to multiply 16 by each of these. I get 32x squared, 16 times 7. I get 112x minus 160. Going to change my sign since I'm subtracting. And once again, I ended up with a remainder of 0. If I want to check and make sure my work is correct, I can do multiplication. I like doing it in a table. Helps me keep track. And this is just for checking purposes so that if you're ever taking a quiz or test and you're feeling uneasy about your answer, you have a way to check it. So I'm just multiplying what's here, 7x cubed. And then I'm going to multiply 16 by everything. Just an organizational method is really all that it is. Oh, you know what? It's not lining up the way I'm used to because I need a 0x now. Sorry, I was wondering why. I'm like, wait a second, my like terms aren't lining up on the diagonal. And that's because I didn't put a placeholder there. So these are all going to be zeros. Now I have 32x squared, 112x minus 160. Like terms are on the diagonal. So I end up with 2x to the 4th plus 7x cubed plus 22x squared plus 112x minus 160, which is what I started with.